Let's go over the steps for making stickers with your Cricut machine. Just so you know, I kind of hate my printer. I just hate printers in general. So I don't make stickers very often. I'm definitely not a sticker expert, but I can walk you through the basic steps of how to get started. First, open up a new project in Cricut Design Space. Next, I'm going to upload the image that I'll be using for my sticker from my computer. The type of file that you want is a PNG file. This cute little ghost file is from Creative Fabrica. When you get to this page, be sure to select Flat Graphic because we want it to be all one layer for the sticker. For some reason, this file is gigantic, so the first thing I'm going to do is go up here to the width and height bar, and I'm going to make it about 2 inches wide. The first step is to add an offset. That's going to put a little border around your sticker. If you don't add the offset, it'll look something like this. This is an example of an image that I cut out without adding the offset, and you can see that the Cricut just cut out like all of the little details. See the little horn and the ears? It just looks better if you have a little border around there, especially if your design is really detailed. So to add the offset, click on your image and then go up here to the toolbar, click Offset, and it'll start by adding about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to make that smaller. And then click Apply. If you look closely, you'll see that the offset still has a couple little holes in the design, and I want the whole offset to be one solid piece. So click over here on the Layers panel, click Offset, and then we're going to change it to a basic cut for a minute so that we can contour. Click on Contour, select Hide All Contours, and now it's gotten rid of those little pieces that would have been missing. Click on the X, and you can see now that it's one solid piece. I'm also going to change this background to be white. You can change it to any color you'd like. I'm just going to leave it white. Next, you're going to select the image and the offset and click Flatten because we want this to be all one layer. Now we can press Make It. I'm going to change my material size to A4 because that's the size of my sticker paper. The reason I do this with just one image at first, this way we can kind of take a look and guess how many we can fit. We can probably fit at least 6 stickers on this page. So go ahead and press Cancel, and let's duplicate this image 5 times. Now press Make It again. It automatically changed my material size back to 8.5 by 11, so go ahead and change that back to A4. And you can see we have the 6 stickers on our page. I'm going to spread them out just a little bit. And now we're ready to press Continue. We're going to press Send to Printer. And then I like to use the System dialog. So click that toggle on and then Print. Now you'll have to minimize Cricut Design Space because the print dialog is usually hiding behind it. So here we have it. And for the quality, I'm going to change it to Best. And then for the media type, I'm going to select Photo Glossy Paper. Now we can press Print. Remember when I said I hated printers and I don't make stickers often because I just don't want to deal with my printer? This is why it stops in the middle of printing. I don't know if it loses Wi-Fi connection or what, but do you hear it struggling? I just, ugh. Okay, here we go again, take 2. So here's the second attempt. A little better than the first, but still cut it off right at the end. But at least now I have my dogs for emotional support.
2 hours later.
Third time ended up being the charm, and now it's time to get this onto the mat so that the Cricut can cut out our stickers. I want these stickers to be cut all the way through, so I'm going to use the foil poster board setting, which has a lot of pressure. Load your mat into the Cricut, and I also like to close the cover because I feel like this helps prevent glare and it helps the Cricut machine read those registration lines. It always sounds really angry during this part, so don't worry, it's normal. We're almost done, guys. Are you hanging in there? Even though it was a little bit frustrating, these stickers actually turned out super cute and the holographic paper is so pretty. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and let me know if you have any questions. Happy crafting!